Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you quickly how to change the email address associated with the Stripe account. 1. Log into your Stripe account. In the upper right corner, click the profile menu icon and select Profile. 3. Enter the new email address in the email field and click Save. 4. Click the Send My Verification link button to verify your current email address. 5. In the same browser, open a new tab and check the current email address for a verification email and click the link in the email to verify your current email address. 6. Check the new email address for a confirmation email and click the link in the email to confirm the change to the new email address. And 7 and last, use the new email address to log into your Stripe account. As simple as that, follow these steps to change the email address associated with your Stripe account. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you in the next one. Hey everyone.